Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix Disney Plus on Roku. Let's go. Open Apps. Select Disney Plus app. Options. Remove. Open Settings. System. Advanced System Settings. Network Connection Reset. Open Settings. Network. Setup connection. Wireless. Select your network. Enter password. Connect. Open Search. Find Disney Plus app. Add app. Done. If after that Disney Plus doesn't work, check your account, it may have been blocked. That's it. Now you know how to fix Disney Plus on Roku. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.